Today, I'm going to teach you the third class of the second part of war drum. The first line is 1、2、1、2、1、2、3、4、左右、左. Now, let's try it on a drum using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second line is 1、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、5、6、7. When you hit 7, you raise your left hand up, then the right hand follows. Then is 左右 times 3 on the side of the drum, soft while squatting down. Now, let's try it on a drum using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's link them playing on a drum using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our third class of war drum. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.